Hey guys, welcome back. It's Breck. And if you don't know what I do on this channel, I unbox like snack foods from different countries, and I get the boxes from a company called Universal Yums. And I try snacks from a bunch of different countries, and I say what they taste like and if I like it. And yeah, I hope you like my channel, and let's get started. So today we're going to be opening another box, and we're going to read the clue for this box. The clue for this box is: our next stop is home to tales we've adored, about wizards, detectives, and a knight and his sword. But when it comes to the Yums, we have a prediction: you'll love the toffees and crisps just as much as the fiction. So I guessed England, and we're gonna see if I'm right. I mean, I think I'm right because we got the UK, United Kingdom. So you open it up and it has a bunch of snacks and the kind of map of the United Kingdom and the different countries in it. And then there's this pamphlet, and it has the clue to the next box on the back, which this one doesn't, but it also has facts about the country or the countries. These are some of the facts in here. So most of you probably thought that Big Ben was a clock tower. Well, it's a bell inside of a clock tower. So this is really weird, but apparently they keep 6 ravens at the top of the Tower of London. Also, in 1595, Shakespeare invented the word swagger when he used it in his play A Midsummer's Night Dream. The United Kingdom includes Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales, and England. So yeah, I'm gonna start eating these foods, and yeah. So first are Welsh potato crisps. That's weird. Ooh. They smell weird. They smell like pepper. Okay, so it's practically just like a chip. They taste like dill pickle chips. Yeah, they're actually not too bad. They kind of taste like a mix of dill pickle chips and pepper. It's weird. But yeah, now I'm gonna try the Mackeys of Scotland honey and mustard potato crisps. Da-da, 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 da-da. I'm destroying these bags today. Okay, so it says honey and mustard. That's an odd combination. Smell like just like regular, like non-flavored chips. That's weird. I was thinking it was gonna be more sweet, but it's kind of spicy. But yeah. Now I'm gonna try the Johnny's pickled onion rings. I love pickles, and I love onion rings. So I'm really excited for this. That's what it looks like. That's a really strong pickly smell. They're not as good as I thought they were going to be, but I need to take another bite to see what they taste like pickly, but like tastes like a pickle like, I know I already said that something tastes like dill pickle chips, but it kind of tastes like dill pickle chips, but like, not like that kind of pickle. I don't know, it tastes like a different type of pickle that I'm used to. But yeah. Oh, there's a yum bag in this one. Cool. I'm gonna have this Grandma Wild's Toffee Flapjack. Okay, where'd my scissors go? Where are you? I found them. Unreal. Okay, so it looks like toffee, but with toffee topping. That tastes really good. It smells like caramel. I'm spilling everywhere. But yeah, that is so good. Now, there is yummy banana toffee. I swear, my scissors keep going everywhere. Like they're just like, beep, 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 beep. Oh. Cut off part of the toffee there. I can't rip it off. That actually smells like bananas. It tastes like literally just like banana flavored toffee. But that's really good. Now there's shortbread. Wow. I swear, these scissors just don't like me today. Zip. Okay. Oh, there's little cookies. It smells like shortbread. It kind of tastes like I know bread doesn't really have a flavor, but like it tastes like that flavor, like bread flavored cookie or something. I don't know, but now it's on to the yum bag. So yeah, I got a yum bag. So I didn't know I was that weak that I can't open a plastic bag, but okay. See, scissors are stronger than me. I'm sad. Need to go start working out. Okay, so in the yum bag, if you haven't watched my videos before, in the yum bag you get two candies and you get two of the candies that you get. If that's confusing, I don't know. But like, see, I got two of these and two of these. So these seem like a hard candy. Look like it's a hard candy. Doesn't really have a scent. I just gotta do this so I can try my other stuff, but it's like a lemon hard candy and it's so good. It's really good. And then there is this thing that's like a toffee chewy candy thingy, and it's orange and white. Smells like like oranges and like tropical fruits. It literally tastes like when you bite into it, it looks like when you bite into a Starburst. And it mainly just tastes like really orange flavored. I don't know if like the white part's supposed to have a flavor, but it mainly just tastes orange flavored. But it's really good. But yeah, done the box, but I will do more videos. So now it's time to read the clue on the back of this. And there is no clue. All it says is like Land of Smiles. I don't know, it's a mystery. So you better subscribe so you can get notified when I post the next video. Because when I post the next video, then you can see what are mystery places. But yeah, I hope you liked this video, and please like and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.